Okay, quick question. Have you ever gone to a restaurant, felt hungry, excited, and then you forgot every single English word you know?
Oh, wow, yeah. The menu suddenly looks like a science book, right?
Exactly! You want food, but your brain says, error, language not found. And the waiter is standing there like,
And you panic order something random and think, I hope this is food?
yes! And then you smile and say, yes, this is fine, even when it's not fine.
That is the most honest restaurant experience ever.
Welcome to Learn English with Shaau. If you've ever been scared to order food in English, today's episode is for you.
And if you've ever eaten something you didn't like but said nothing, this episode is also for you.
Yes, today we're talking about restaurant conversations, ordering food, asking questions, and giving feedback politely.
Important word there, politely.
Very important. Okay, before we start, I'm Shao, your host.
And I'm Ryan. I'm American, I love food, and I talk too much at restaurants.
That's perfect for today. All right, let's warm up a little. Ryan, honest question. When you go to a restaurant in the U.S., do you talk to the waiter a lot?
Yeah, probably too much. I ask questions like, is this spicy? Is this big? Do you like this?
You ask the waiter if they like the food?
Yes, and sometimes they're like, yes?
Okay, learners, this is normal in the U.S. You can ask questions. It's okay.
Yeah, in American restaurants, questions are welcome. The waiter doesn't think you're rude.
That's a big fear for English learners, right? They think, if I ask, I sound rude.
But silence can be worse, because then you eat something you don't like, quietly, sadly.
Sad food is the worst food.
Exactly.
Okay, let's start simple. Imagine you walk into a restaurant in the U.S. You sit down, the waiter comes, they smile and say,
Hi, how are you doing today?
and this is where many learners panic because they think this is a real question.
Yeah, it's not a therapy session.
You don't need to say, my life is very difficult.
Please don't.
So, learners, listen carefully. When a waiter says, how are you? You can say, good, thank you. I'm good. Doing well, thanks. That's it.
Simple, short, friendly.
Okay, teaching moment. I'm good, thanks. This means I'm fine, I'm okay. Very common, very natural.
And then the waiter usually asks,
Can I get you something to drink?
this is your first chance to practice English.
Yes! And many learners say only one word, water.
That's okay, but we can make it better.
Instead of just water, try, can I have some water, please? Or, I'll have water, please.
I'll have is very natural.
Yes, learners, repeat after me. I'll have water, please. Good.
And if you want time, you can say,
Oh, I need a minute.
this is important. You don't need to rush.
Exactly. I need a minute means, please wait, I'm thinking.
Super useful in restaurants.
Okay, Ryan, be honest. Have you ever looked at a menu and felt confused?
All the time. Some menus are wild.
Right? Fancy words, long descriptions.
And you're like, why is chicken so complicated?
Yes. Okay, learners, this is a safe moment to ask questions. You can say, what is this? What does this mean? Is this spicy?
Very common question. Is this spicy?
Let's practice pronunciation. Spicy, not specy. Spicy.
Nice.
And if you don't eat something, like meat, you can say, does this have meat? Or, is this vegetarian?
Perfect. Clear, polite.
And if you're scared, add this magic word. Sorry.
Americans love sorry.
Yes. Sorry, is this spicy? Very soft, very polite.
I once ordered something spicy. The waiter said it's not too spicy.
Uh-oh.
It was too spicy.
This is a universal story.
I cried a little. Not emotionally, physically.
Okay, learners, important lesson. When Americans say not too spicy, it can still be spicy.
Always ask, is it very spicy?
Yes, great tip. Oh, quick pause. Teaching moment. What do you recommend? This means, what do you think is good?
Waiters hear this all the time.
And it's okay if they answer fast. You can say,
Okay, let me think.
perfect. All right, we've ordered drinks, we've looked at the menu. Next, we're going to order food confidently, and later we'll talk about something scary.
Giving feedback.
Yes, the scary part. Don't worry, we'll make it easy. Stay with us. So, let's imagine the waiter comes back. They smile again. They look at you and they say,
Are you ready to order?
and this is the moment many English learners feel nervous.
Yeah, your heart beats faster.
Your mind goes blank. The menu feels heavy.
But good news, your English does not need to be perfect.
Exactly. Simple English is good English.
You can start with something very easy.
For example, I'll have the chicken, please.
That's it. No long sentence, no stress.
And if you want to be extra polite, you can add,
Thank you.
let's practice together. Say it with me. I'll have the chicken, please.
And if you don't know how to say the name,
Oh, yes, very important.
you can point. It's okay to point.
Pointing is not rude in this case. You can say, I'll have this one.
Every waiter understands that.
Another fear learners have is pronunciation.
But waiters are used to accents.
Yes, accents are normal. Your accent is okay.
If they don't understand, they'll just ask again.
And you can smile and repeat. No problem. Ryan, do Americans ever change their order?
All the time.
Learners, listen carefully. Changing your order is okay.
You can say, Sorry, can I change my order?
Let's break it down. Can I, polite question, change my order, choose something else?
Very useful sentence.
Repeat after me. Sorry, can I change my order? Great.
And if the waiter says yes, which they usually do,
You just say your new order.
easy.
Okay, now something fun. Let's talk about custom requests.
Ah, yes. Americans love custom food.
Very true.
No onions, extra cheese, no salt.
Learners, you can ask for changes.
You can say, Can I get this without onions?
Or, can I have extra cheese?
Notice the word get.
Yes, teaching moment. Word get. In restaurants, get means receive or have.
Can I get a coffee? Very common.
Not rude, very normal. Now imagine. The food arrives.
Big moment.
The waiter puts the plate down and asks,
How is everything?
and learners think, oh no, I must speak now.
Yes.
If the food is good, you can say, it's good, thank you. Or, everything's great.
Very simple. But what if it's not good? This is the scary part.
But we'll make it safe.
First rule, be calm.
Second rule, be polite.
You don't need big words.
You can say, sorry, this is a little cold.
Or, sorry, I think this is wrong.
Let's practice tone. Say it slowly, soft voice. Sorry, this is a little cold.
The word little is powerful.
Yes, little makes it gentle.
Not angry, not rude.
Another helpful phrase, could you help me with this?
Very polite.
Learners, notice the word could.
Could is softer than can.
Exactly. Ryan, have you ever sent food back?
Yes, and I felt bad.
Same.
But the waiter was nice.
That's important. In the US, sending food back is normal.
You're not being difficult.
You're just being honest. Politely.
And polite English saves the day.
Always. Okay, imagine this. You finish eating.
You're full, you're happy.
The waiter comes again and asks.
Can I get you anything else?
You can say, no, I'm good, thank you.
Very American sentence.
Yes, I'm good means I don't need anything.
not I am a good person.
Important difference. Next, the check.
Ah, yes, the check.
Learners, in the U.S., we say check, not bill.
Both are okay, but check is more common.
You can say, "Can I get the check, please?"
Very clear.
Or just, "Check, please."
Simple is good.
Okay. Next, we're going to tell a funny restaurant story.
Oh, no.
Yes, and you will learn from our mistakes.
That's the best way to learn.
All right, story time. Ryan, you're not allowed to escape.
I feel nervous already.
Good. That means it's a good story. Okay, this happened a few years ago.
Oh, wow, she's serious.
Very serious. I went to a small restaurant with a friend. Cute place, cozy, soft music.
Sounds nice.
The waiter came and asked, "What would you like?" And I wanted pasta.
Classic.
But instead of saying, "I'll have the pasta," I said, "I like pasta."
That's not an order.
I know. And the waiter just smiled and waited.
Awkward silence.
Very awkward. So, learners, important lesson. Saying what you like is different from saying what you want.
Exactly.
I like pasta means pasta is nice. I'll have the pasta means bring me pasta.
Big difference. Same food, different meaning.
Yes,
What happened next?
I fixed it. I smiled and said, "Sorry, I'll have the pasta, please."
And everything was okay.
Yes, mistakes are okay.
That's important for learners to hear.
Very important. Making mistakes is part of learning. Ryan, do you have a restaurant mistake?
Oh, yes. I once went to a restaurant, very hungry.
That's dangerous already.
I ordered fast, too fast.
Uh-oh.
The waiter asked, "Do you want fries or salad?" And I said, "Yes."
Yes to both?
The waiter looked confused, then said, "Which one?"
Learners, this happens.
It's okay to stop and think.
If you don't understand, you can say,
"Sorry, can you repeat that?"
perfect phrase.
Very polite.
Let's practice that. Sorry, can you repeat that? Nice.
You can also say,
sorry, I didn't understand.
also good.
Never be scared to ask. Now let's talk about something emotional.
Oh.
Compliments.
Ah, the good stuff.
If you like the food, say it.
Yes, please say it.
You can say, "This is really good. I love this. It's delicious."
Waiters like to hear that.
And chefs, too. Sometimes the waiter tells the chef.
That makes their day.
Teaching moment, delicious means very, very tasty.
Not delilicious, it's delicious.
Nice pronunciation tip.
Okay.
Another situation. You're eating, everything is fine, but something small is wrong.
Like too much salt, or the drink is empty.
Yes.
You don't need to complain loudly.
Just be gentle. You can say, "Sorry, could I get more water?"
Very normal. Or,
"Excuse me."
yes, excuse me is polite and friendly.
Not rude at all.
Learners sometimes think excuse me sounds angry.
But it doesn't if your voice is soft. Tone matters.
Let's do a mini role play.
Okay?
I'm the waiter.
All right. Hi, how's everything?
Sorry, this is a little cold.
Perfect.
Soft, calm.
Exactly.
No drama.
No drama English.
I like that.
Okay, one more emotional moment. Tipping.
Ah, yes.
Learners, this is important in the U.S.,
Tipping is normal.
usually around 15 to 20%.
For good service.
And if you're confused, you can ask.
You can say,
Is tip included?
very clear question.
No shame in asking. Ryan, what's the biggest mistake learners make in restaurants?
Being too quiet.
Yes,
They're scared to speak.
but English grows when you use it.
Even simple words are powerful.
Exactly. All right, we're almost at the end.
Time goes fast when you talk about food.
True. Next, we're going to review the most useful phrases.
The takeaways.
Yes, the phrases you can use today. Okay, let's slow down for a moment. Take a breath.
Yeah, relax.
Now imagine this. You're walking into a restaurant. You're calm, you're hungry, and you're not scared.
That's a good feeling because now you have the words.
Exactly. Let's gently review some of the most useful phrases we talked about today.
Not fast, no pressure.
Phrase 1.
I'll have the chicken, please. Simple, clear.
Phrase 2.
Can I get some water?
Very natural. Phrase 3.
I need a minute.
Perfect when you're thinking. Phrase 4.
What do you recommend?
Great question. Very friendly. Phrase 5. Sorry, could you repeat that?
A lifesaver.
Phrase 6.
Sorry, this is a little cold.
Polite feedback. Phrase 7. No, I'm good, thank you.
Classic American English.
Phrase 8. Can I get the check, please?
End like a pro.
Notice something?
None of these are long.
Yes, good English is not big English.
It's clear English.
And calm English.
And polite English.
Exactly. If you remember only one thing from today, remember this.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You don't need a perfect accent.
You just need courage and a few phrases.
And practice.
Lots of practice.
So next time you're in a restaurant,
Don't be silent.
speak slowly
Smile.
and enjoy your food. Ryan, thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me. Now I'm hungry.
Same. To everyone listening, thank you for learning with us.
You're doing great, even if it feels hard sometimes.
Your English is growing, one conversation at a time.
And next time you order food in English,
Think of us.
and order with confidence.
This was Learn English with Shaau.
See you next time.
Bye.